The government is preparing to bring a major shift in consumer protection laws. Under this new law, a consumer protection authority is proposed to be set up for rapid settlement of consumer complaints. The law will be in line with the US and European countries. While addressing a conference on consumer issues in the capital, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that e-commerce is fast emerging as a new business model which calls for new laws to protect consumers' interests.
And as we pass by, the volume of trade in e-commerce is going to increase. So that's how the trade is going to change. So under these circumstances, we'll need a very powerful and an efficient forum. And obviously the question that you've raised, for an efficient forum, funds will be required. I don't think funds is really a serious problem. It's our desire to spend the funds in the right direction, which both governments at the center and stage will have to put their heads in order.
The Consumer Affairs Ministry has proposed many changes to the current law to protect consumer rights and simplify the judicial process to ensure swift and inexpensive justice. The amendment bill will soon be taken up by Cabinet for approval. Food and Consumer Affairs Minister Ram Vilas Paswan tried to dispel fears, saying that the authority will no doubt have suo motu powers to investigate, but timely class action suits will be taken by the NCDRC.
हमारा एक ही मकसद है, वो मकसद है कि ये मतलब जो 125 करोड़ आबादी राष्ट्रपति से लेकर के एक क्रम, ये जो नीचे का जो मजदूर है, ये सारे के सारे कंज्यूमर से हैं, सबको कहीं ना कहीं झेलना पड़ता है। तो कैसे उससे निपटारा पाया जाए। और हम जरूर चाहते हैं कि यदि एक बार जो जजमेंट हो, तो जैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट होता है और पूरे देश में बाइंडिंग हो जाता है, उसी तरीके से क्या कहते हैं कि उसको भी बाइंडिंग क्या कहते हैं कि हो जाए।
The proposed amendments to a 29-year-old law have been necessitated by a host of factors, including the e-commerce boom and misleading advertisements that have posed fresh challenges. The proposal to amend the existing laws will cover hoarders, black marketing, and an increase in the provision sentence for those involved in violation. Abhishek Jha, DD News, New Delhi.